Our hangers do come with two different adhesive strips. One is a double-sided tape and the other one is sticky on one side, but it has a velvet backing on the other. So this one they say will protect your mantle or whatever you're setting your hanger on. But they say the sticky sided tape may damage the wood or wherever you're putting it. So they do recommend using the side with the velvet on it. So these are easy to assemble. You have your hook, they have little screws, and they also provide a screwdriver so that you can put them on. They do suggest that you place your ornament over the hole and then put your screw in there and start to screw the ornament or the on there and then finish with the screwdriver. So guys, these look awesome on the mantle. I do not have a Christmas stocking out yet, but I did hang an ornament here so that you could see how easy they are to hang.